Hello friends, so let's meet with Nawang Gombu. He is the Is Nawang Gombu, a renowned mountaineer who was the first man to scale Mount Everest twice. Gombu sports a lifetime guiding and teaching at Himalayan Mountaineering Institute as an instructor and director of field training. He has also become the most decorated mountaineer of his lifetime with medals like Tigers medals, Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, Arjun Award, the Queen of England's coronation made gold medals and hubbed medals, the National Geographic channels. Thank you friends.